In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the 3 best food processors available on the market today in our opinion. You'll find links to each in the description box below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Imagine prepping a week's worth of meals in a flash, with the Breville Paratus 16-cup food processor whirring on your counter, its stainless steel blades slicing through carrots and zucchini with surgical precision for vibrant salads or casseroles. This powerhouse, with a 16-cup bowl, handles large batches for family dinners or parties, offering multiple discs for slicing, shredding, and dicing, plus a chopping blade for everything from nut butters to dough. The wide feed chute swallows whole vegetables, cutting prep time, and the brushed stainless steel body adds a sleek, durable touch to your kitchen. Users love its capacity, with one saying it chopped enough onions for a month of soups without jamming, praising the smooth, quiet motor. The included storage case keeps blades organized, and the dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. The downside is its hefty 16-pound frame, which can be a chore to move, and the multiple components take up cabinet space. Some find the controls slightly complex for quick tasks. It's a top pick for home cooks or meal preppers needing a robust, high-capacity processor for bulk chopping, slicing, or kneading. Now, picture whipping up a gourmet hummus for a dinner party, with the Vitamix Smart Prep food processor attachment paired with your Vitamix Ascent blender. It's multi-use blade pureeing chickpeas into silky perfection while you julienne veggies with the included discs for a stunning crudite platter. This 12-cup attachment, compatible with the Ascent and Venturist series blenders, includes a multi-use blade, reversible shredding and slicing discs, and bonus julienne and veggie stick discs, all stacking neatly in a storage case. The self-detect technology syncs with your blender base for seamless operation, and the powerful motor tackles tough tasks like nut butters or dough. Users praise its versatility, with one noting it sliced carrots paper-thin and blended hummus like a dream, saving counter space by combining blender and processor functions. At 7 pounds, it's lighter than standalone units, and the dishwasher-safe bowl eases cleanup. The catch is that it requires a compatible Vitamix blender, limiting standalone use, and the smaller capacity suits mid-size recipes, not huge batches. Some find disc swapping fiddly. It's a great choice for Vitamix owners or gourmet cooks wanting a compact, powerful processor for precise slicing and blending. Lastly, envision cooking a full meal hands-free, with the Chef Robot Ultra Cook all-in-one food processor simmering a creamy broccoli soup while you relax, with its 3.5-liter bowl and 600-plus guided recipes on a 7-inch touchscreen guiding you through chopping, steaming, and blending in one device. This multifunctional processor combines 15-plus functions: chop, mix, steam, fry, knead, and more, with a built-in scale for precise measurements and a self-cleaning mode for effortless upkeep. The 1000-watt motor handles everything from dough to purees, and the included accessories, like a whisk and steamer, cover diverse recipes. Users love its all-in-one convenience, with one saying it cooked a risotto start to finish while they prepped dessert, praising the intuitive recipe app. The compact 10-pound design fits small kitchens, and the bowl is dishwasher safe. The downside is the learning curve for the touchscreen interface, which can feel overwhelming, and the motor is loud at high speeds, around 60 decibels. Some note the recipe app requires a stable Wi-Fi connection. It's an ideal pick for busy cooks or tech-savvy chefs wanting a versatile, automated processor for multitasking meals. I hope that this helps you find the perfect food processor for your culinary adventures. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Happy cooking!